Let me simplify something that's confusing almost everyone right now. Most people don't actually understand what AI automation means. They hear the word automation and think complex systems, coding, or expensive software. In this video, I'm going to explain what AI automation really means in simple terms, and why misunderstanding this is the reason most people fail to make money with AI. The confusion starts because people mix up three very different things: AI tools, AI automation, and AI businesses. They are not the same, but most content online treats them like they are. So let's start with what AI automation is not. It's not knowing how to use ChatGPT. It's not collecting AI tools, and it's not learning to code complex systems. Those are inputs. Automation is about outcomes. Here's the simplest definition you need. AI automation means removing repetitive human work using systems that run automatically. That's it. No buzzwords, no complexity. Think about everyday business problems: missed calls, slow replies, leads not followed up, appointments never booked. AI automation means those things happen automatically without a human chasing them. The business owner doesn't care how it works, they care that it works. This is where most beginners misunderstand the opportunity. Businesses don't pay for AI, they pay to save time, reduce mistakes, and increase revenue. Automation is valuable because it removes friction from daily operations. AI tools are features, automation is the result. Anyone can access tools. Very few people package automation as a solution. Beginners think automation has to be big and complex. That's wrong. The best place to start is one small task, one clear problem, one repeatable outcome. Complexity comes later, clarity comes first. Here are the three mistakes that stop people from succeeding. 1. Learning tools before understanding problems. 2. Trying to automate everything at once. 3. Over-engineering simple needs. Businesses want reliability, not complexity. If you want to understand AI automation properly, think like this. What repetitive task costs a business time or money every single day? If you can remove that, you're creating value. Everything else is secondary. In future videos, I'll break down what businesses automate first, how automation is priced, and how people turn this into a real service. But none of that matters if this foundation isn't clear. If this clarified AI automation for you, like the video. And if you haven't watched my previous video on why AI alone is not money, watch that next. That video connects directly with this one.